Hi, we are here again. Look at the board. Find the next number by pattern. We'll continue with these examples until you grab what we are teaching. We have 3, 8, 19, 34, and what? What is the next number after 34? Now, look carefully. Anytime you have numbers like this, one thing comes to your mind. Is it ascending or descending? Now, if it is ascending, you're also going to have two things. Is it by addition or by multiplication? Now, if you look at this, 3 and 8, 3 times what gives you 8? Nothing. What are you adding to 3 to give you 8? Is 5. What are you adding to 8 to give you 19? Is 11. And you can multiply 8 by anything to give you 19. So your addition and multiplication is failed because there is no pattern in that wise. All right. The next thing we are going to look at is, if you have 3, 3 is the same thing as 4 minus 1. Is that correct? All right. 8 is the same thing as 9 minus 1. Is that correct? 19 is the same thing as 20 minus 1. Is that correct? 34 is the same thing as 35 minus 1. Is that correct? All right. Now, if you look at 4 minus 1, 9 minus 1, 20 minus 1, 35 minus 1, what are we going to do with this? Now, let us also say a certain number here minus 1 should be able to give us what is here. Now, you can further break this down to 2 times 2, right? Break this to 3 times 3. Break this to 4 times 5. And we break this 35 to 5 times 7. Are you following? All right. Now, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. The next number here should be 6. Are you following? Times 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. The next prime number is what? 11. So if we are having prime number on the right hand, which is 2, 3, 5, 7, consecutive prime numbers, the next consecutive prime number here should be what? 11. Are you following? Now, we now have 11 times 6. 11 times 6, just like we have 5 times 7, 35. 11 times 6 gives you what? 66. 66 minus 1 gives us what? 65. 65 is the next number. Very simple. You don't need to waste your time. But it's always good to think of what to do smartly as a mathematics student. How to get the next number by applying a lot of logic in mathematics. As you can see, these are increasing consecutive numbers. Then these are consecutive prime numbers. So we're able to get this. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. Mathematics is not difficult. As a matter of fact, if you can think smartly, you can solve all of these questions. Kindly share this video and keep learning. Bye for now.